giving that not a very good chance basically that he's going to make it.
And Leo was laying on his side, but he was awake. He told me that it was his mum. And it was Leo.
We could not simplicate this hotel because what the blood vessels were like on the because of the catastrophic breach there are no opportunities to control. It is a remarkable operation that what we had to do textbooks to describe this procedure. When we had a